Hey YouTube, how we doing today? That's right, we've got another incredible blade in the shop from Columbia River Knife and Tool. Stay tuned right after we roll that intro, and we're gonna get right into it. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying with us. As you saw by that opening, we're going to take a look at the 1063 Directive. This is a second in our shop by designer Matthew Lurch. You may remember we took a look at, oh my god, I can't remember the name of it right now. I'll try to drop a link somewhere. We took a look at a sheep's foot blade by his a moment ago. But just to get on something real quick before we hop in the knife reviews, I had someone actually send me a message on this. No, I am not reusing the same frickin' box by CRKT or Gerber or SOG or Kershaw in every video. See? It's actually the box it comes in. The Directive. And yeah, unfortunately, product of China. But still. Alrighty. Enough of my big mouth, I know. Show us the blade, fat boy. So, here we go. This is the Directive by Matthew Lurch. Now, it's got an overall length of 8.438 inches. The blade has a length of 3.624. Enclosed, it's 4.828 inches. It has a neat little weight to it of 4.4 ounces. The blade steel, and this is a first for me. I'm going to have to do some more looking at this. I actually almost went on autopilot on this one, but the steel is 8CR14 MOV. Not the usual 13, that's a real good budget steel that a lot of companies are using. This one's 8CR14 MOV. It's got an HRC rating of 58 to 60. So really, to me, it's not so much more different than the 8CR13, which is also 58 to 60. As you saw, it does have a flipper open. And I got to tell you, honestly, I've had some problems with it. It just seems sometimes to stall a little bit. But of course, now it's doing it perfectly. It does have the black oxide finish, which I think is kind of cool and adds something to it. You know, just adds, I don't know, another dimension to the blade to me. Something I thought was pretty cool. It's got a 4-position pocket clip. So you can carry it tip up, tip down, left hand or right hand style. Your handle, well, it's just the usual glass reinforced nylon. And I went for the drop, you know, what they're calling the modern drop point style. They also offer this blade in a Tonto style. But, you know, this one, I just went, okay. It has some pretty aggressive, you know, jimping up here. And it does have a really well-positioned forward finger choil. So it fits just beautifully right there in your hand whenever, you know, you're doing cutting or close-in work. As we usually do, looked up costs and ratings. Now over on CRKT, it basically is going to cost you $50, $49.99. On Amazon, $22.50 and free shipping. This blade has not been reviewed as of the day of shooting this video, which is 1/25/18. 0 reviews on CRKT's website. Over on Amazon, it's got a 4.5 out of 5-star rating. But, you know, there's our look at the Directive. You know, leave any questions, comments, whatever, down below. If this is one of your first time watching one of my videos, thank you so much for giving me that moment of your day to take a look at something I've done. Also, you're going to see some symbols popping up right here. That's our company logo. Go ahead and click on that. That way it will take you right to subscribe. Also, click on the bell icon that's right next to subscribe. That way you will be notified every time I upload a video. You're also going to see some incredible stuff popping up over here. Those will be 2 of our videos from our catalog that YouTube is choosing for you to take a view at. Please remember, like, share, subscribe. In light of the recent changes in YouTube, this is freaking important. Now that I've begged for your subscription. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. That's my look at the CRKT Directive.